Hello everyone, this is Guide to Everything, and in today's video, let's talk about on how we can specifically reset the Corsair HS55 headset. Now, the first thing that you want to do before you do this is to just reset the connections between your devices. So if you're using something like your dongle right here, you then want to disconnect this from your computer, or if you're using something like the Bluetooth connection, you then want to disconnect it from that specific device. From there, this will be able to help us resolve some minor issues and glitches before heading over to hard resetting our headset. Now, if that didn't work, we can then proceed with our next step. Now, to reset your headset fully, you want to head over to your headset right here and make sure that it is turned off and no lights are flashing. From there, you then want to hold press the power button, which is going to be this one under the Bluetooth button, for around 5 to 15 seconds. From there, the light will flash for around a couple of seconds, and right after, you want to turn it back on, and from there, it will be resetted to the factory setting. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.